Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, we didn't get to put up a video last night because I was just out with my family hanging out and stuff. So I didn't get on the computer till like late to do my levels, and I was too tired to make a video. I can't even lie. All I had to do was record, but I was just tired. I didn't feel like talking. I was beat. Long weekend, but a good weekend with the fam. But yeah, so Friday, this was Friday's chart, and we knew that pullback was going to come. In order for a downtrend to continue, you have to pull back. The market has to pull back. That's just how it goes. And I was telling one of my buddies, like, I did not want to get caught up in that pullback, and luckily I didn't. I had a great trade. Got caught up in the news trade right off the resistance zone and took all that out. And that was an excellent trade, one and done. Ended the week super nice. But yeah, that was just a nice pullback day where you think like all the shorts. You could have caught some nice moves though if you was trying to go short, but that was those days you like trying to short the market, thinking it's gonna go down, and then just keep going. That's how it goes sometimes on those pullback, those dead cat bounces. Now, was that a dead cat bounce, or is this actually the market found bottom and now it's starting to rally? We don't know, but we do know that it's still within this range. Still, you see the range from 63s, 563s to 550s. We in this range. Now will we break out of this range and go push for the next up range? We don't know. Possibility. That's what I'm saying. We don't know if that was a dead cat bounce. We don't know if this is a rally in the market found bottom. We don't know. That was a lower low. Want to go try to make another lower high back at the old lower highs. So will it push through or will it continue to sell off? We don't know yet. All you can do is just be patient and trade your levels. And right now my levels going into yesterday, last night were 563.38, 563.84, 559.94, 560.37, and 55.54, 55.56. That's my support zone, my mid level, my resistance zone. As you can see, it came down, found support at the mid level, and then it rallied. This is a news candle. News came out around 8:30, so that's a news candle. But you can see the market's trying to push now. Would it find resistance here? Like this and start back selling off? Possibility. Would I like that trade? I would like to take that trade, that short trade, because it's right in my range. It's setting up nice. It could just bust out and you could be stuck in another breakout, because we do have FMOC meeting coming on Wednesday. So you got to keep that in consideration. For some reason, I don't know why. You can go look back at the data. Days heading up to the FMOC meeting, the market likes to rally. For what reason? I don't know. Maybe it's because people is trying to clear some positions off, take some risk off the table before the meeting. And that's just how it goes. So like you can tell. So Friday, Monday, can we just bounce around? Possibility. That could happen as well. Could we just break out and keep squeezing up? The shorts keep covering. Possibility. But I'm still gonna take my trades whenever they present themselves. I don't care. If it's at my spot on the chart and I can see, as I see sellers present, I would like to take puts here. I would take puts here actually, and try to get the push down back down towards the mid level. Because it's all probabilities. You don't know. You don't know if this just gonna break out and squeeze. We don't know if this gonna sell off, but we do know what the market's telling us, that there's sellers present here. Are they still gonna be there when market open? That's the question. More than likely, they got the same data we have, so you know it's a solid trade. It's a cheap trade, and what I mean by cheap trade, that means like it doesn't take a lot to make a lot. Because if you're wrong, you're risking $1 to make possibly $5. You see what I'm saying? Or $4. So it's a cheap trade. But yeah, so we just going into the market today. Hopefully we start this week off strong again. We've been killing this March. So we just want to keep it going, keep staying consistent, keep the emotions out of the trading, just trading with logic. That's it. It's either a cheap trade or it's not. But yeah, the market rallied almost 2% on Friday. That was I, I was not surprised by it at all. I'm telling you, I wasn't. If you go look at my videos, I kept saying a bounce is coming. We don't know when, but it's coming. Because it always happens like that. Like, you don't expect it to happen, and it's going to be on a day where you least expect it, where you think like, oh, today should be a day that it crashed or that it goes down. Like, because I know we had negative news come out on Friday, but the market still squeezed. So yeah, you got to protect yourself and just trade your trade, and don't be scared to trade. Even if you want to go long in the, like, if you want to go long within a bear market, you can find opportunities to go long all the time as well. But you got to know what type of market you in, what's the most likely situation to happen. You know, if you're trying to go long in a bear market, then you got to know you probably won't get a home run off this trade, and it's probably gonna be people are quick to cover because of the structure we in, because of the sentiment of the market. So yeah, you just got to know and understand. But yeah, good luck to you guys, man. Like I said, I'll be watching for this trade off resistance to get down low, play some puts, or if we can get back down here, you can watch this area and see if it can hold its support and try to get a nice rally. But we'll see. Got to be careful this week, though. Got to be careful this week. FOMC meeting is super important, and we don't never know what's going to happen whenever Jerome Powell steps to that podium. Market just goes crazy, up or down. It doesn't even matter. But today, yeah, I'm just watching these levels that I have planned. These are my 3 levels that I'm looking to trade off of the day. But if we bust through this level, if we bust through this resistance, then you know the push for 566 is possibly likely. All right, good day. Have a good day.